Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Matters. Today I am going to show you how to make this delicious egg fried rice. Egg fried rice is a popular Chinese dish that's easy to make and great for a quick meal. Also, the best way to use up leftover rice, and it's great as a side dish or as a main course. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use in this recipe. Start by heating a pan over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I add the chopped garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Then I add the white parts of the spring onion and stir fry for another 30 seconds. Now I am adding chopped carrots and let it stir fry for another minute until they are tender. Once everything cooked enough, I am going to add an egg and scramble them until they are cooked through. It's time to add the cooked rice to the pan and stir fry everything together until the rice is evenly coated in the egg mixture. Seasoning is the best part in this recipe. I'm going to season my fried rice with salt, pepper, sugar and soy sauce. Stir all the ingredients together until well combined. After turning off the heat, I am going to add green part of the spring onion so it won't be wilted. And there you have it, egg fried rice. Garnish with chopped spring onion and serve hot. If you like spicy food like me, add a dash of chili oil for an extra kick. This dish is so versatile. You can add any veggie or protein you like to make it your own. I hope you enjoy this video and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bye.